elocution is a very hard statement to make, because on one hand, I want to apologize to the victims and their families. However, nothing I say will convey how truly sorry I am. Plus, for those whom I would want to convey such sentiments are too angry to believe what I say is truthful. On the other hand, I care about and they need to hear the words so that maybe they can move forward and find closure. You're a senior now in high school. I keep reading in the newspaper how you continue to make honor roll. You're a smart guy. You get them from your mother. You have so much to offer the world. Please know any advice and friendship did come from the heart. I am sorry for what I have done and hope you can forgive. Hopefully, your mother can move forward as you have. As a Christian, you know sin exists, and it is the weak of will who gives into it. I admit my weakness. I ask and hope you can find the strength to overcome any anger you may hold. You have a gentle spirit. Never give up on people. And know I am truly sorry for what I have done and put you through. We all need to move forward, because forward is where we may find peace. Thank you for listening.
Mr. House, with respect to the